Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about cloud computing. That the cloud computing is a term that is derived from the combination of two words as cloud and computing. Where cloud means internet and computing is the process of the utilization of computer technology or resources to complete a task such as processing of data or performing calculation, etc. The definition of cloud computing is that it is an on-demand provision of IT resources such as servers, software, databases, etc. via the internet with pay-per-use pricing. Instead of buying physical machines or data centers, one can access a wide range of technological services on an as-needed basis from a cloud provider such as AWS, IBM or Microsoft Azure, etc. The interesting fact is that the organizations of every size, type, and industry are availing the cloud services with certain benefits such as disaster recovery, data backup, etc. For availing cloud services, one needs a browser and internet connection only. Before moving ahead, it is important to understand the reason why to choose cloud computing. If one wants to start a new business in the IT industry, the first thing one needs is investment, that is the initial cost. Even to host a website, a stack of servers is required, which needs to be maintained, and for upscaling and downscaling, the resources further cost is added, that is the operation or the maintenance cost. But with the introduction of the cloud computing, such expenses are not required to be incurred. One need to pay as per the usage of the resources provided by the cloud provider. This was all about cloud computing basics. In the further videos, we will discuss about the characteristics, the service model, the deployment models and so on. So till then, happy learning. Goodbye.